Hello friends, students and aspirants, whatever you are. Today in this video I am going to discuss with you set theory, which was developed by George Cantor, a German mathematician. This video is very helpful for the students of plus 2 and the aspirants who are preparing for high school, contractual post and OSSTD. This video is prepared by Digital Learning Portal, a unique education platform. The concept of a set theory is a fundamental part of our present-day mathematics. In our day-to-day life, we use or we speak different kinds of a collection of objects such as a herd of people, a packs of cards, or a crowd of people, etc. We know some numbers, that is a collection of digits or numbers such as a natural number, whole number, integers, real number, rational numbers and real numbers. All are considered as set. The numbers which we have studied in our day-to-day life in your previous class, such as in natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, rational numbers, real numbers, etc., irrational numbers also, these are called or considered as set. So what is the definition of set? So first of all we have to define it as a set is the collection of well-defined objects, such as collection of books, for example mathematics books, English books, MIL books, history books, etc. are called set. We can take it as a numbers, even numbers, 2, 4, 6, 8, etc. are called even number set. We call it as a the people of Indian people, also a set. Then we read how to represent a set. We represent a set into two categories, such as roster form and set builder form. So first we read what is roster form. In roster form, a set can be written as in the following manner. A set can be written in capital letters only. A set contains number of elements or a zero element. Each element is separated by comma, or we use comma in between any two elements. And each element is written in small letters. Enclose the elements within the braces. Never repeat the elements. These are the basic idea to write or to represent a set in a roster form. So let's begin this video in details. So here we have taken two sets. A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and B set is equal to A, B, C, D. So here we denote the set in capital letters such as capital A and capital B, and we denote or we represent the element in small letters, small a, small b, small c and small d, and between any two elements we use comma. You can see this, and we enclose the elements within the brackets, and both the set contains some elements. First set A set contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 elements, and a second set, that is B set, contains 4 elements. So this is the representation of a set, or how we can represent a set. According to use of elements, set can be divided into two categories, such as one is finite set and another one is infinite set. Here we have example 1. Write the solution of the equation x square plus x minus 2 is equal to 0 in a roster form. We have the equation and we have to solve it in a roster form. So let's solve it. So first of all we write the equation, that is x square plus x minus 2 is equal to 0. This is our equation and we factorize it as here. We can write the middle term into two terms, that is we can write x as a 2x minus x minus 2 is equal to 0. So here we can take a common from these two terms of x, so that will be x plus 2, and here we can take common minus 1. Here we can write x plus 2 is equal to 0, which can be written as a x plus 2, and here we can write x minus 1. X minus 1 is equal to 0. So this can be written as a x plus 2 is equal to 0 or x minus 1 is equal to 0. So here x will be plus 2 can be converted into minus 2, or we can write x is equal to 1. This is our answer. But according to use of a set, we write it in the roster form. So we take a set, suppose a set is equal to, its element will be minus 2 and 1. This is the required answer. Let's solve example 2. Write the set x such that x is a positive integer and x square less than 40 in a roster form. So my dear friends, we are given x square is less than 40. That means we have to calculate the square root of the numbers less than 40. So we have taken a set that is equal to b. Set is equal to, if you take 1, so square of 1 is equal to 1, that is less than 40. So we can write 1. If you take it 2, square of 2 is equal to 4, that is equal to, that is also less than 40. So we write. And we take 3, the square of 3 also 9, that is also less than 40. If we put x is equal to 4, what will be its square? That is equal to 16, also less than 40. If I take a 5 and its square will be 5 into 5, that is equal to 25, also less than 40. If I take 6, what is its square? 6 into 6, that is equal to 36, also less than 40. If I take 7, so its square will be 7 into 7, that is equal to 49, which is greater than 40. So we can write up to 6. This is your correct answer. Next we have given example 3. Write the set A is equal to 1, 4, 9, 16, 25 in set builder form. We have given some questions and we have to write it in set builder form. First we have to check these numbers. These numbers are square numbers. This is square of 1, this is square of 2, and this is square of 3, and this is square of 4, and this is square of 5. We take a set, A set.
is equal to, as these numbers are square numbers, suppose we consider as a element x. So x shows that x is equal to, for square numbers we can write n square. Here small n belongs to capital N. Capital N stands for natural numbers. So this is your answer. A set is equal to x shows that x is equal to n square and n belongs to n. Here this set is a infinite set. So this can be written as in this form. Here we have given another example, ditto example 3. Write in set builder form a set is equal to 1, 4, 9, 16 and 25. First we choose set a set is equal to, these elements can be written in set builder form as x. So x shows that x is equal to, these are the square numbers. So we can write, so a set is equal to x shows that x is equal to n square. We can write n square in place of, as these elements are square numbers, so we can write n square, and where n belongs to capital N, that is a natural number, and n ranges from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that is equal to 5, and square of 5 is equal to 25. Okay, so this is your answer. So we have next example, that is example 6. Write in roster form. Question is mathematics and principal. We have to write in roster form. First of all, we choose a set. Suppose a set is equal to, as these are the elements, and we write in small letter. So we can write M, A, T, X, E, and M is written once more. So we cannot repeat any element. So we cannot write this, and A also written before, T also written, then I and C and S. This is its roster form. And second, principal. Suppose we take a set B, we can write it as a P, R, I, N, C. I is written before, and P also, A and L. This is its roster form. Then come to exercise 1.1. Number 2 question is, here we have questions. Let a set is equal to, the elements are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we have instructed that use belongs to or does not belongs to. Here we have questions 5 dash a. Here 5 is belongs to a or not. Here 5 lies in the set A, so we can write 5 belongs to a. And 8 dash a. 80 does not lie in a set, so we can write 80 does not belong to a. And 0 also does not belong to a set. This is some answers of our questions. Here we have questions from your exercise 1.1, that is number 3. Write in a roster form. The question is, a set is equal to x such that x is an integer and -3 less than equal to x less than 7. Here this is an integer and it ranges from -3 to 7. That is equal to x starts from -3 and up to 6, not 7. That is less than 7. So you can write a set is equal to, starts from -3. So -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, up to you can write 6, not 7. 4, 5, 6. This is the answer in a roster form. Here we have questions. B set is equal to xa such that x is a natural number less than 6. That means we can write natural number so which ranges from 1 up to 5. Less than 6, that means we can write up to 5. So you can write B set is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, not 6. This is its answer. So next question is C is equal to xa such that x is a 2-digit number such that the sum of the digits is 8. As it is a 2-digit number, so we have to write from 1, not 0. If you write 0 and some digit, the number is itself a 1-digit number. So we can write C is equal to, we start from 0, 1, then as it is the sum of the 2 digit is 8, so we can write 1, 7, 1 plus 7 is equal to 8, then 2, 6, sum is also 8, and 3, 5, the sum of a 3 plus and 5 is also 8. Then we can write 4, 4, also sum of the digit is 8. Then we can write 5, 3, 6, 2, 7, 1 and 8, 0. If you add 80 and 0, we get the result 8. So this is the answer to convert the set in roster form. So friends, this is all about your set theory, finite set, non-finite, infinite set, and a classification of a set in according to representation such as a roster form and a set builder form. We represent a set in the following manners. Already we have discussed about it, and already we do some exercise number 2, number 3. I hope you have understood properly. So how is my video? Please like, share and subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for more updates. For more updates also you may visit my channel Digital Learning Portal. Thank you.